It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. I was passing B&M Bargains the other day and I seen an advert in the window saying Richmond Toad in the Hole, and I thought I gotta go and get them. I like a bit of Toad in the Hole. Perfect for one, says on the box. Goes in the oven for 45 minutes and it's a 300 gram portion of food. So what I'm guessing we do here is we pierce the lid as normal, preheat oven to gas mark 6, and remove the outer packaging and peel back the film lid from the batter side only. Ah, right, okay. Oh, peel it back from the batter side only, so no piercing with the scissors or the fork. There's a look at the sausage. There's the gravy. I suppose and leave for 1 minute. Right, okay, so we're going to pull it. I reckon if we pull it back just to, I don't want it exploding, so we're just going to open that up a little bit on the gravy pad so it can aerate. Right, 45 minutes in the oven, back when it's cooked. Now here's a topic of conversation I thought I'd never be having on the channel, but this is really important all of a sudden. Let me get the meal out the oven. Now this meal has been in the oven for 45 minutes on gas mark 6. Now we're going through some kind of energy problems in the UK at the moment, where the price of gas is going up through the roof. As of sort of the 20th of September, it started to come in the news. Look at this. Look at this food that was £2 to buy, and it went in the oven for, let me move this, for 45 minutes. Look at the quality of this. What on earth? It doesn't look very greatly appetizing, does it? I mean, we'll pour the gravy on. I'm sure that'll make a world of difference. The onion gravy. But are we in a world now where this type of thing, this meal is unsuitable for you can't put it in the microwave. You have to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Is it worth it? Now, this day and age, would it be cheaper with this being £2 to buy, and however much, I don't know what 45 minutes worth of gas is on gas mark 6, but it doesn't seem feasible anymore. This doesn't seem like cheap eating anymore. This seems almost like it's going to become a luxury in years to come. So there's a look of it. There's a little bit of sausage on there, a little bit of pastry, batter stuff. Woo! Hot! So, what is Toad in the Hole? Toad in the Hole is a classic British dish where it's actually pancake batter. It's like a dry pancake batter with sausages in the middle. It was probably a war type food to feed your family cheaply, fill them up, a hearty meal. You could put some mash with this. A little bit of sausage and toad in the hole and mash. It comes with onion gravy. I mean, it tastes okay. It's not the worst toad in the hole I've ever had before. In all honesty, I don't think I've ever had a toad in the hole that was made fresh for me. It's always been like a ready meal type thing. I think we've had a Bista one before now. But I think it's a really important point. A really important point. Is this type of thing feasible anymore? Is it cheaper to walk around the chip shop, buy yourself some chips? But reviewing it, the sausages don't taste exactly the same as what you would normally get from a Richmond sausage. I normally grill my Richmond sausages. They're a bit cardboard-like. The batter is pretty tasty. There's a bit of sausage there. Always, the start of the show when it comes, there's a better view of the sausage. The start of the show of these meals always is the gravy. The gravy always kind of wins out in these food reviews. Sweet caramelized onion gravy. £2. I keep going back to it because it's quite important. I would definitely not buy it again. I would definitely not buy this again. In fact, having it in the oven for 45 minutes, I felt slightly guilty. I felt slightly guilty. And this is not a political thing. This is not me being all political and rubbish. This is just my wife pays the gas bill. And I'm home here reviewing this food. Whereas I've just had, I've just had the gas on for 45 minutes for a £2 ready meal. It's just not worth it. This is the end, more or less the end of the review. My conclusion to this video is that it's really not worth the gas, the money. It just doesn't taste that good. It's a bit boring and bland. The only thing that's saving this ready meal is the gravy. Okay. I think going forward on the channel, we'll try and find, if we find microwave meals to review, I think they will be microwavable microwave meals. Ready meals, should I say. I just can't see me ever buying a ready meal again where it's got to go in the oven for a whole 45 minutes. It's just not economical. Certainly in this day and age. So rating. Are we about to see the decline of the gas fueled ready meal? Are we going to see the end of these things? Are they all going to end up in the microwave going forward? It's quite an important point. It's probably on cue with what people are talking about right now. It's very poor. That was a very poor excuse for the sausages just didn't really taste like Richmond sausages. I'm going to say 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers!